guys, it's Ray from EyeQue12 and EpicDroid.com, and today I'm here with a slightly different review video. I love technology, and when I find cool things, I love to share it with you guys. I am also legally blind without my glasses. I'm not a fan of having to wear glasses, but I can't stand contacts, and my eyes have some funky stuff going on that make it so I can't get LASIK. So what do these two things have in common, and what do they have to do with you? Well, that's where the EyeQue Vision Monitoring Kit comes into play. The EyeQue Vision Monitoring Kit is an innovative concept. Essentially what EyeQue is trying to do is to make it so that you can monitor your own vision at home and avoid unnecessary expense and unnecessary visits to the eye doctor. However, they are very careful to make it clear in the documentation that the monitoring kit is not a replacement for an eye doctor. The kit comes with 3 different products. The first actually looks like a pair of glasses, and it's called the PD Check. The second is the Vision Check. And then last but not least, we have the Insight Plus. The first product, or the PD Check, is used to quickly measure your pupillary distance. This can be used to help in ordering new pairs of glasses online and when using the Insight Plus. You just simply put it on and you use a tool to help you measure that distance. And then you have the Vision Check. The Vision Check is what they call, and I hope I get this word right, an ophthalmic refractometer. Basically, it helps you measure your eyes to help determine what types of lenses are needed and to give you your eyeglass numbers. These eyeglass numbers are not a prescription, but they can be used in place of a prescription when you order your glasses online. Last is the Insight Plus. The Insight Plus comes with its own basic pupillary distance measurement app that you can use if you don't get the PD Check. It is fairly accurate, but the PD Check was definitely more precise. Once you've set up the app, you hook your phone into the headset, you just put it right here, and then you can take 3 different tests. The first test is a visual acuity test. It is used to give you a rough prescription. In my particular case, my eyesight is so bad that the test didn't even work without my glasses. But with my glasses, I showed 20/20 eyesight on my latest set of glasses, and a lower score on my older, less strong prescription. So they don't really cover it in the user manual, but the way I see this test helping most people is that if you don't have glasses or contacts, you can see how accurate your vision is. If it isn't 20/20 or better, you can go see an eye doctor and get the help you need. If you have corrective lenses, you can take the same test, and if you get a lower score, you can then go in and get an updated prescription. The next 2 tests on the Insight Plus help measure your color vision and your ability to see contrast. These are both helpful tests that can help you decide if you need to consult with your eye doctor about more than just eyeglasses and potentially considering vision therapy. All in all, I thought it was a very clever idea, and I'm excited to see where EyeQue takes it. For me personally, it's really just a novelty. My eyesight is so bad that I don't think I'll ever be able to just get a prescription from a smartphone and a headset. But I can definitely see the benefit for those who have mild vision issues. The kit goes for around $150 on Amazon. We'll have links in the video description down below to both the Amazon listing and to EyeQue's website so that you can learn more about the EyeQue system. If you guys have any questions about the stuff that you've seen here in this video today, or if you guys have any questions about glasses or eye doctors in general, I've spent my whole life going to them. But feel free to leave a comment and we will reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.